All of our things are prepared for today's trip. Wala kaming mabook kaya maglalakad kami hanggang Vista Mall. Ganito sinimulan ng araw namin. Ganito sinimulan ng journey namin. Walang mabook. Ganun agad. Wow! Stranded as of this moment. Pumutok ang aming gulong. So, we need to fix it and we're gonna go ride again. What's up? So we are just arrived here in Mexico, Pampanga. Just a quick change of clothes. Quick na palitan lang ng damit kasi ready na dire-diretso na kami. Let's go! We are now going up to Mount Ula.
Yeah.
That's the mother father. Ayaw ko na maglakad. Insert card David voice.
Hindi na bago ang problema ng gutom at kahirapan sa Pilipinas.
Like sugar on my tongue.
Okay, so apparently may sunog daw sa bundok kaya yung view is not that easy to see. Kaya wala lang. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, may smog or fog. At tumingin sa baba kasi nasa gilid tayo ng bangin. Kaya saan dyan? Saan dyan nadaan? Okay, life update. Malapit na kami.
2 km.
Why do we pay to be terrified? Ha, tingin mo. Life update, hinihingal ko yung kasama. Narinig niyo ba? Tumigil sa paghinga. Okay. Akyat. What? Let's go. Dapat dito ako. Ala eh. Hi, so apparently we are not allowed to continue the trail kasi nasusunog yung isang bahagi ng bundok at ipinagbawal na. So bumuli kami. Nakakalungkot pero okay lang, at least safety naman ang inuuna nila. So yun lang, pababa na kami.